Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be testing out the Model Ones all-in-one salon kit. So this is a polygel kit and I've actually never used this before, so I'm super excited to show you what it's like and tell you how it goes. So if you want to see how it goes, then please keep watching, and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so this is the kit that you get sent, and then you open it up. It's got some instructions which I'll be following. Top coat, base coat. These are all the polygel colours, so it comes in white, a pink and a clear. I think I'm going to use the pink one. I'll show you the idea on my phone, like the nail inspo I'm going for. Comes with the UV gel cleanser, and then these are all like gel nail varnishes, but they're like in a pot instead of like a brush. I thought that's quite cool, so we'll have a look at those colours later. And then you take this layer off, and then under here you've got the little lamp which you just need a plug for, which I've got a plug over there. And then you have these removal wipes in case you want to take them off. Then you've got a load of tools. They've got some nail art as well, so like some ribbon, some rhinestones. This is the brush for the actual polygel stuff, so this is quite a cute little brush. One of these fluffy things to wipe away, you know, like excess nail filing, I guess. Cuticle remover, the jewel forms, and then what's in here? And here we've got some tweezers for the rhinestones, so if you want to like pick them up really carefully, we've got them. And then we've got one of the cuticle cutters, another cuticle pusher back thing, I think. Is that the same as this one? Yeah, these are the same, the cuticle tools. And then a nail file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and like get on with this, but I am just going to voice over the whole thing and let you guys know how I get on. Okay, so here's my inspo pick, and then the first thing I was going to do was literally just get all the jewel forms out and measure them against my nails, and basically choose the ones which fit and then put them to the side for when I needed to start doing them. Next, I just soaked my hands in a bowl of warm water for like 5-10 minutes, and just to like soften my cuticles, and then I pushed back my cuticles with the tool that it came with. Next, I unboxed the little lamp thing. This was actually so powerful, which I thought was really cool because it is such a mini little lamp, but it really did work well. And then to start, I just went in with the base coat, cured it for the time that I said, and then I started trying to do the gel stuff. So this was a lot easier than I thought, but I have to say that mine were a lot thicker than perhaps maybe someone who's done this before were, but I was really impressed. Like, they felt like acrylics on my nails. They were really glued on and stuck on, which I thought was so cool. So I then just went ahead and did the rest of my hand and cured it for the time that it said, made sure to do the top and the bottom. And then I just cut them down to the length that I wanted to start filing. So this is what they look like after cutting them down. As you can see, like, they look alright. Some of them were quite thick at the back, but I mean, it was fine. They look good on the front, and because of the jewel forms, like, they just looked really well. And then next I just basically filed and cut the rest of my hand and applied the base coat again to the top, and then went in with the gel creams. So I'd never seen gel nail varnish in a pot, so I thought this was actually really cool. So I wanted to go for like the pinky colour, like the inspo picture, and decided to go for that bright bubblegum pink colour because, I mean, look at it, it's just stunning. So this went on really easy with the brush. Make sure to clean your brush in between doing the gel and then like the gel nail varnish, because obviously the gel gets stuck to it. But this went on so easily and was just a really, really pretty colour, and I only used one coat because it was quite opaque, and because I was going to do the pattern on top of it, like, it just didn't need another coat. So this is them just with the pink on. I think they look so pretty, and I was really proud of myself for the first time I was doing them. And then next I just took a normal nail varnish in the colour white and like a dark pink, and just did some like random swirls on it with a striping brush, I think they're called, or a nail art tool, just to basically give them a little bit of a pattern, to make them a little bit funky and to make them a bit prettier. So these were the finished nails, and I absolutely loved them. This was such a user-friendly kit, and I can't wait to do them again. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up.